Hello everyone, I am Naneshwari Chidrawar. Welcome to my channel Anytime Maths. In this video we are covering very simple topic, that is nature of the roots of quadratic equation. Means what? We are going to find the nature of root. Means we will find whether the roots are real or not real, whether the roots are equal or not equal, that is unequal. Okay, this we will find. This is nothing but finding the nature of the root. General quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And to find roots, there is a formula which we have already seen it. The formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Right? We have already seen this. Now, if I say for this equation roots are alpha and beta, then what is alpha and beta? Alpha will be minus b plus square root term divided by 2a and beta will be minus b minus square root term divided by 2a, right? Okay, this square root term decides the nature of the roots. See, this term decides whether the roots are real or not real, equal or not equal. That's why this is called discriminant and denoted by delta. Delta is equals to this term b square minus 4ac. Okay. Now, this is one value. So, delta can be 0, delta can be positive or delta can be negative. Based on this, we can find the nature of roots. So, let's see this. See, if delta is 0, means what? This term is not there. So, alpha will be minus b by 2a and beta will be, see, square root of 0, this term is not there. So, beta will be minus b by 2a, right? Alpha and beta are these numbers. Means we can say alpha and beta are equal, right? Now, this b minus b by 2a, real number divided by real number, it's a real number. That's why we can say both the roots are real and equal when discriminant delta b square minus 4ac is 0. Okay. Now, let's check for this. When discriminant is greater than 0 means positive. See, square root of positive number means it's a real number, right? Real number plus real number divided by real number. So, this root is real and same for this, real minus real divided by real. So, alpha and beta both the roots are real, fine. And here in alpha plus sign is there, in beta minus sign is there. So, both roots are not equal. Okay. When discriminant is positive, when delta is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. Okay. Now, let's check for this. When delta is negative, delta less than 0. See, means this term is negative. Square root of negative number, square root of minus 2, square root of minus 3, they are not real, right? Square root of negative number is non-real number. Real number plus not real number divided by real number. So, alpha and beta are non-real, right? So, we will get both roots as not real and they are not equal, okay, unequal. So, this is the nature of roots. This factor b square minus 4ac, delta factor decides the nature of the roots, okay. Notice here, whenever delta is 0, only in this case both the roots are equal, fine. And when delta is negative, both the roots are non-real, okay. Here is the summary. Delta is equal to 0, delta greater than 0, delta less than 0, okay. Now, let's solve few examples. Here we have to find the nature of the roots of these quadratic equations, okay. Now, let's solve this one by one. For the first equation, okay. Now, comparing this equation, root 3x square plus 2 root 3x plus root 3 is equals to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What we will get? We get a equal to root 3, b equal to 2 root 3 and c is equals to root 3. Then how to find the nature of the roots? First we have to find discriminant and we can decide the nature of roots, right? So let's quickly find discriminant value. Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac, right? Now let's substitute these numbers here and find the delta value. B square means 2 root 3 square minus 4 into a into c. Okay. Now 2 root 3 square. Root 3 square is 3. 3 into 4, 12 minus root 3 into root 3, 3 into 4, 12. So discriminant value is 0. Discriminant is 0 means both the roots are real and equal, right? Roots of this equation are real and equal, right? Easy? Fine. Now second and third example. Pause this video and take the screenshot. Try to solve it on your own. Then match your answers with mine. Okay? Let's solve this second example. Here I am not solving like this. I will quickly solve this. Y square plus 2y plus 9 is equals to 0. Here a is 1, b is 2, c is 9. So what is discriminant value? B square minus 4ac. B square is 4 minus 4 into a into c, that is 36. So what is this value? Minus 32, which is less than 0, means roots are not real and unequal. Not real and unequal. Okay. Now let's solve this. M square is equals to 8. First we should find ABC values. So for that we should bring this equation in the standard form, right? So for that we should bring this 8 on LHS. So this equation becomes m square minus 8 equal to 0. So here ABC values are a is 1, b is 0, m term is not there, that's why, and c is minus 8. So what is discriminant value? B square minus 4ac. B square is 0 minus 4 into a into c, minus 32. So this value is plus 32. So discriminant is greater than 0. Means roots are real and unequal. Fine? Real and unequal. Understood? Easy? Now let's solve next example. Roots of quadratic equation 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0 are real and equal. Then we need to find k. Okay? See, roots are real and equal. It is given. Means for this equation, real and equal. Roots are real and equal means discriminant value is 0. Delta is 0. Already given. Okay. So for this equation 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0. What is given? Delta is 0. It's already given. Okay. Delta means what? B square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Let's substitute a, b, c value here and find k. Okay. Now what is b? K. K square minus 4 into a into c. Fine. Is equals to 0. Means k square 12 into 12 minus 144 is equals to 0. So k square is 144. So what is the value of k? Taking square root means we will get plus or minus 144. So k is nothing but plus or minus 12. This is the value of k. Okay, easy? Understood? Thank you everyone. Hope you like this video.